friends,
welcome to my channel Subhu's Escapade. So myself Subramani. So today we are going to unbox something from
DJI. So DJI is renowned brand for
making drones. So I'm going to unbox today DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So which is a 3-axis gimbal. So
new foldable smartphone
gimbal from DJI.
The gimbal will automatically follow the
Target shooting, emotionally capture the motion picture,
and always keep the picture stable and smooth. And it has the
amazing time-lapse video function.
The mode will compress the time and gives you the fleeting experience.
So let's go for unboxing without any delay. So I purchased it from DJI
showroom in Chengdu, China. So I purchased it for
around $140 US.
So it supports both Google as well as
iOS, means Android and iOS.
So it comes with 2 years warranty and includes water damage also. So inside the box we have this
gimbal
and box for the gimbal and tripod stand, power cord, and one velvet cloth for used as a cover, and as well as a strap for carrying it. So let's go for unboxing now. So sorry for using the kitchen knife. Wow, it's look classy. I like this box. Amazing quality, man, amazing. So this is the tripod stand attaching screw, and it's very ergonomic style, and it has the power button and video or photographic button, and this is the motion button where you can say up, down,
right, left, and this is the zoom in and zoom out.
So here will be the motor for this gimbal. So here they mention
how to use it.
Okay, so let's see what things are available. Full tracking, man. Okay, I got it. Never seen this kind of packing in any of the boxes. Even in Apple, it's very simple. Okay, what are the things I have inside? Sorry guys, the box fell down. So as you were saying, there is a strap, and one cover to carry this gimbal. What else we have? Wow, as I was saying, so it having this tripod. So this is some padding for mobile phone attachment. Yes. So manuals, instructions, it's completely in Chinese. Hope international version has the English and some of the regulations and other consumer law of different countries, and some of the some safety features, how to use it, what are the limitations, and what temperature we should use, some few things are covered here. And finally we got this power cord for charging the gimbal. So it's USB-C guys, so USB-C charging port. So as this charging port I could see, okay, so here we need to charge, or we can use it as a power bank for our mobile phone. So it has inbuilt battery, so you can use your mobile phone for charging, and even you can use your mic for recording purpose. So it's very good for vlogging guys. Okay, let me do this way. Okay, it's like assembling from pistol. So this is one of the foldable gimbal guys. So let me do this. On this, yes, the LED has glow. This was saying you have to keep your mobile phone like this, and then you can start shooting your videos. Okay, I will come to some of the other features of this. So you have to use this gimbal with DJI Nemo app, so which is compatible with both iOS and Android. And this gimbal eliminates the maximum shakiness of the any footage, so delivers a super smooth stabilized image, and a lightweight ultra responsive design reacts to your movements in real time. So a sleek foldable design allows Osmo Mobile 3 to be taken anywhere, so weighing just 405 gram bar. Friends, it's very portable, light, and incredibly convenient to toss it in a backpack for your next adventure. Standby mode allows you to use your smartphone when gimbal is folded, enabling you to start shooting again in no time. So thanks to the ergonomic design by DJI, it's very intelligent design. So your story, your moment, from the extraordinary to the everyday. Share this unique moment easily and creative in story. So edit and share any videos with your mobile phone, and share it quickly using the DJI Nemo app to any of your social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. And it comes with battery life of 15 hours and wattage of 17.64 watts, which is nothing but 2450 milliamps. So battery is inside this grip, and you will get some toggle button here. If you press once, it will rebalance it, and if you press twice, so it will come to your front camera, so whichever camera you are in. So currently it will change the camera mode from front to back, and you can take some amazing selfies. So as you say, again, it having this lithium ion battery, so it's completely made of plastic material, and this anti-slip pads for your mobile phone. This very lengthy power cord they given, and supports up to 3.5-inch wide smartphone. Foldable design with redesigned ports, handle a natural 15-degree angle. So coming to its specifications technically, so it's minus 162.5 to 170.3 degree pan, and minus 104.5 to 235.7 degree tilt, and 85.1 to 252.2 degree roll. So that's it, guys. So I will use it and review it in future. Thanks for watching this. If you have any doubts, you just comment in your comment section. Peace.